Hello YouTube, this is Henbasket, and welcome to Fire Alarm Friday. So as suggested by Cool Seamus Guy, I'm going to try a few different alarms with iOS 14's sound recognition feature. And so I'm going to try my innate right now. And smoke alarm. Well, I mean it's an alarm, it's not a smoke alarm, but it is a fire alarm. Okay, now to try the next alarm. Okay, now to try my second generation SHG. Good. Okay then. Huh. Okay, let's try my 3424. That's not good. On second thought, let's not try it. Okay, let's try my system sensor MA on 800 Hertz. Is it even on? Yes, it is on. Huh. Okay, does my 9833 work? Mother. You're next. Okay, let's try the Spectral Alert now. The Spectral Alert Classic. Too far away, maybe? I mean, too close? Smoke alarm? Are you drunk, phone? Okay, now what should I do next? Okay, let's try this heat detector now. Ah, there we go, fire alarm, nice. No, come on. At least it was free. Okay, let's try the true alert now. Of course. Of course not. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I guess not. So as you can see, it's not very accurate. And even it says that it should not be relied upon in circumstances where we may be injured. So basically, do not rely on this to tell you if your fire alarm is going off or not. You should be able to tell that yourself, basically, unless you're hearing impaired, and then in which case you need strobes or other things that are actually listed for hearing impaired. So, Handbasket signing off. And now to edit this behemoth of a video.